Monolith RCA Audio Cable by Monoprice. The Monolith RCA audio cables feature two different solid OFC conductor gauges for best bass and mid-range optimization, flat OFC conductor for superior mid-range reproduction. OFC Spiral ribbon conductors provide maximum treble definition without harshness. Double shielded for lowest noise without compromising sound quality. Precision machined die-cast connectors for maximum durability. 24K Gold Plated RCA Connectors for best electrical contact. Low dielectric constant polyethylene dielectric on each conductor. Available in 4 sizes: 3, 6, 9, 12 feet. The construction of a Monolith RCA audio cable. The Monolith RCA cables are built for ultimate audio performance. OFC copper braided shield. Al foil shield. Silver content solder joints. Top reviews from the United States. Very clean and clear sound. I got 7 of these cables to connect a 7-channel amp to my Denon X3700H connected to a Monolith 7x200. Powering. Klipsche RP-8000F. RP504C. RP502s. At loud volumes I hear no hiss at main listening position. Sound is very clean and clear. I would buy these cables again, and I would recommend these to anyone who doesn't have XLR as an option.